Our gorgeous patient, who's 43 years old, comes in. She's 3 years out from her abdominoplasty and repair of her umbilical hernia and a breast lift. And she has shared with us something so fascinating that we want to share with all of our patients.
So Dr. Claytor has inspired me to start kickboxing. I have been kickboxing for about 6 months now, and we do approximately 200 different crunches throughout the duration of the class, plus just the physicality of moving your body when you're throwing these kicks and punches. And I told him that I think of him several times a week when I'm in class, because I am now capable of not only doing these crunches, but doing them well the whole time. And I just feel so strong and powerful. And we do jumping jacks at the beginning of class, and my boobs don't flop around anymore. So yeah, I feel good. I feel great.
So to those out there who aren't as familiar with kickboxing and crunches, what does a crunch mean?
So with a crunch, you're always using your abs when you're moving your body, and especially when you're doing any sort of karate or kickboxing moves, because you're twisting and you're punching and you're kicking. But as part of our warm-up and just to get into better physical shape, we're doing these crunches. And so we're laying on the floor, and most people are probably familiar with the typical crunch that you do, where you just put your hands behind your head and kind of suck your belly button to the floor and breathe out and move your body up. But we do something called crucifix abs, which is when your body is literally laying in like a crucifix T-shaped position.
Okay.
You lift your head slightly, you keep your arms out at either side of you, and then you lift your legs repetitively off the floor the whole way up to a 90-degree angle, and then back down to about 10 degrees off the floor. And we do 100 of those per class in segments. And I sweat and groan the whole time, but I do it, and I feel how strong my core is when I'm doing it.
Wow. Were you doing these before our surgery?
No, I've never done those before. I had done plenty of ab exercises in the past before I needed this surgery, and I was not nearly as good or as strong and capable of doing it.
Even before children?
Before children, no. I am much more stronger in my core now than ever before in my life.
Wow. That is such a great story. I am so happy for you. Wow. And so when you're doing kickboxing, do you physically come in contact with other people?
We practice spar against each other, but mostly we're on a bag.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're punching a bag.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. And when you're moving and kicking and punching, is there any pain or discomfort in your abdomen at all?
No, nothing. If anything, I can feel how strong and solid my core is.
And that really is a function of tightening up those rectus muscles, part of that rectus diastasis repair.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. I'm loving it. Loving it.
That's fabulous. Well, thank you for sharing your story.
Thank you.